The Measurement Systems Corrector test stand is a self-contained, automated pressure and temperature corrector proving system. It is capable of testing any Mercury or Honeywell corrector up to 300 psi at 3 user programmable pressures for both in-test and out-test with the press of a button. If calibration of a corrector is necessary, Measurement Systems software interacts seamlessly with MasterLink 32 software without any user interaction other than a click of a button. The stands take advantage of precision crystal pressure gauges with accuracies of 0.1% of reading, as well as fluke temperature baths that interface with Measurement System software to achieve a reliable and accurate test. With computer-controlled pressurization, the user-programmable test points are reached quickly without any user interaction. Measurement System software allows the operator to customize the parameters of a test. The operator can add or remove a corrector model by entering the setup menu. The type of test, number of calibration points for both temperature and pressure, and the pressures and temperatures to be tested are all user-programmable parameters. To demonstrate the capabilities of the test stand, a Minimax PT 0 to 60 psi corrector is selected. The operator places the corrector over the stand's mounting studs and secures it to the stand with supplied thumb nuts. The operator connects a serial cable to the corrector for communications with the on-stand computer. The operator then connects the pulse output for both corrected and uncorrected counts to the on-stand cable. If the corrector has a temperature probe, it is placed into the on-stand temperature bath. Lastly, the pressure supply hose is connected to the corrector using a quick disconnect fitting. Once the corrector has been connected to the stand, the test can begin. The operator selects the appropriate corrector model within the Measurement System software user interface and presses the In-Test button on the touchscreen monitor. Once the Start In-Test button has been pressed, the software connects to the corrector to retrieve information including corrector serial number, corrected and uncorrected counts, battery voltage, and the corrector's capabilities, whether it corrects for pressure, temperature, and/or super compressibility. The zero pressure proof is displayed on screen with a detailed list of readings from both the on-stand sensors and the corrector sensors. The proof will appear in green if it is within the limits set by the operator in the setup menu. The test continues to the mid-span and full-span pressure tests, each time displaying the data neatly in the data panel. The test can be aborted at any time by pressing the cancel button. After the span pressure test, the operator is prompted to run the drive motor either clockwise or counterclockwise depending on the corrector. This allows the operator to test the pulse output for both the corrected and uncorrected counts. If the operator wishes to change the uncorrected count to match the corrector's index, the Change Uncorrected Count button can be used to save the appropriate value to the corrector. The operator can calibrate the corrector by pressing the Calibrate button and selecting either pressure or temperature. When the Start Pressure Calibration button is selected, the software will initiate the pressure calibration sequence. If a 2-point calibration has been set in the setup menu, the stand will calibrate to the user-specified zero pressure and span pressure points. As with the in-test, the calibration process is advanced with the click of a button. When the Start Temperature Calibration button is pressed, the stand will initiate the temperature calibration sequence. For this test, a 1-point calibration was set in the setup menu. The stand will calibrate to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. To verify the calibration of the corrector, an out test can be performed. The test stand can perform a 3-point out test to ensure the calibration of the corrector. All data collected in both the in and out test, as well as the type of calibrations performed, are displayed in the data panel. If the instrument has an on-corrector modem, the user can test its operation using the stand's telephone line cable and built-in modem.